How to fix Snapchat login issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix Snapchat login issues on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to fix Snapchat's login issues on your Android phone, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically, let's say you launch a Snapchat app, you're not being able to log into your account or do any sort of things as such. The very first thing I want you to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi and if you have other Wi-Fi networks available, I want you to try to switch to those Wi-Fi's, or if you have your mobile data with you, then I'd also recommend you just turn on your mobile data in this case so that you can go ahead and then actually watch this. Now once you've done that, what you can do is I want you to long press on the Snapchat app icon here, then just tap the I button, then go to the more option. It will take you to the app information page where you just need to go to storage and cache, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the storage. Once you clear the cache files and storage, open it up, and then this should most likely solve your problem. But if it doesn't, then it most likely means that there is an issue with your login details. So tap the login option, and if you in case happen to forget your username or password, you can tap on the forgotten password to reset it. Otherwise, make sure your credentials are correct over here. Once you make sure that your credentials are correct, you'll be able to successfully sign in by just tapping the login option. So this way you can fix Snapchat login issues on Android. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.